In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on eBay. We're going to walk through the listing process from the main eBay homepage all the way to publishing your item. This is a straightforward setup, and the key is choosing the closest category match and filling out your listing details carefully so buyers understand exactly what they're getting. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage and create product listings. Once you're there, click on Create Listing to start a new item. In the search field, type ebook file PDF. This helps eBay suggest a matching category and listing structure based on what you're planning to sell. After entering that phrase, choose books and magazines. From there, click on books. This narrows the listing into a more relevant category so your item is organized properly on the platform. Next, select the match that best fits what you're listing. eBay may show suggested product matches or category-related options, and you'll want to choose the one that most closely aligns with your ebook. Taking a moment here can make the rest of the setup easier because eBay will pre-fill some details or guide you through the right listing format. After that, select the condition of your item. Choose the condition that most accurately describes what you're selling. Even for a digital product, being clear and consistent in the listing setup helps avoid confusion later. Once that's done, click Continue to Listing. This opens the main listing editor where you'll enter the product information. Here, you'll complete the important details for your ebook listing, such as the title, description, pricing, and any other required fields eBay asks for. Make sure your title is clear and specific, and use the description area to explain the format and what the buyer should expect. The more accurate your information is, the better your listing will be for both visibility and buyer trust. Before publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review everything you entered. Check that the category looks right, the product details are complete, and the listing presents the item clearly. Small errors in the title or item specifics can affect how easily buyers find your listing. When everything looks good, click List It. That submits your ebook listing and makes it live on eBay. And that's it. That's how to create and publish an ebook listing on eBay using the built-in selling flow. If you follow these steps carefully and enter your product information clearly, you'll have your listing up and ready for buyers in just a few minutes.